So how close are we?
We're very close. It's on this street, which is a busy street. Keep going, honey. Oh my gosh.
Which one? Oh, with that huge tree?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Babe! Oh my God!
You see that car coming like 50 miles an hour in a residential?
I'm not gonna wait for you. This isn't residential, this is the main street.
We made it. Oh my gosh. All right, well.
Look how overgrown all these plants
Well, we already
are.
bought this thing. There's no going back now.
Yikes. Yeah, but this area is incredible. That's what we got going for us. We're by Melrose, we're by Larchmont. One of my favorite vegan places. Can we stop on the way home?
Yes. You know what's interesting about this house? When it was built, like a zillion years ago, there was nothing there. And LA was built all around it.
It has charm and character.
It does.
People love these old homes. Like when you can find an original Craftsman in LA, even though it's on a crazy busy street, there's curb appeal to the house. You have really cute restaurants down the street, and it's good to be able to walk to these restaurants because parking is a nightmare.
What do you think about all this?
I think it's a lot of greenery, and it's cute.
This is cute. I feel like this could be brought back to its former glory.
Yeah, I agree. Wow. Wow, it's not bad.
A lot of wood.
Yeah, but well, I like that when you walk in, it's open already.
Here's what we need to figure out today. Like,
Okay.
we talk a little bit design, but we have to figure out structural and layout. So those are like the two things we gotta figure out, right? So if it was a normal flip, we would rip this out, we'd rip this out. But it's a Craftsman.
Is it charming?
That's what I'm saying, that's the character. Why don't you come over here? Look, on the back side of this, glass doors,
Oh, yeah,
nice
it's
hardware.
cool. Keep this.
Keep this.
The fireplace is in really good shape, too. But I don't like this.
So this is easy. We paint this black, we do a new top here, different tile here.
Yeah.
We keep the real wood flooring,
Yeah.
keep the crown molding.
I love the crown molding.
Keep all the window frames, door frames,
Yeah.
baseboards.
Yeah. All right, you want to see the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, it's tiny. Ooh. Yeah, so then I feel like this whole wall should go, right? Is this real brick? It's
Yeah.
real brick. Here, come look at something with me. So like, I feel like this is like a super sturdy piece of furniture.
Yeah?
So why don't we utilize this as the island? We refurbish it, we can put a countertop on it, like do something really cool. Knock all that out, but keep this as like a main focal point.
If we can make it happen, that's a killer idea.
And that's a big island. Like that's a good size.
And if we're keeping all the rest of the wood features in the house, I think
Yeah.
that's a good idea.
Okay. What's in there?
Housekeeping?
Bathroom? No? Weird.
No idea. I can't.
Okay, don't hurt yourself. No, no, maybe not. Hold on.
Want to kick it?
You scared me. It's a dungeon.
It is a dungeon. Oh my God.
Creepy. Go.
Let me go see what's down here. But don't
Honey,
go
don't
down
go.
here. Just let me.
I'm not going down ever.
Hello.
Honey,
Wow, this is all original down here.
ew. It's probably dirty, huh?
It's probably like a 10 by 13 room.
It's a panic room.
Yeah, exactly.
Good job, Lovey.
I mean, so far, like, we just started looking around. We've probably spent 60,000.
But we're also saving a lot because we're not changing the baseboards, we're not removing the crown molding. Oh.
That's neat.
So this is bedroom number 1.
This is bedroom. It feels like a study, doesn't it?
It has a closet.
Yeah, so like in here, right? I don't want to keep all the original wood moldings,
Yeah.
the baseboards.
Love the crown molding, love the height of the ceilings. Okay.
And then we have bathroom number 1.
Huh. Okay.
This is a huge bathroom. I don't think we'd save anything in here. Probably full gut, probably 15 grand.
I'd rip all this out so it saves room.
Yeah. You know what would be really killer in this bathroom?
What?
Clawfoot tub.
Oh, I love that idea. Okay, so bedroom number 2 back here, love. Cute size bedroom.
Ton of windows.
Ton of windows.
So same thing in here, you know? Just keep the baseboard, keep the crown molding.
Yeah.
Pop in like a really cool light.
Agreed.
The good thing about this house, like, it's in great shape, actually. Has high ceilings, good floor plan. I love the original wood.
Yeah, me too. It's charming.
Yeah.
So wait, that was 3 bedrooms. So now there's 1 more bedroom.
Where? It's supposed to be 4 bedroom, 2 bath.
Are we sure it's a 4 bedroom?
I don't know.
Check all the doors, honey. Ah! Oh, babe. This is the closet.
Bingo.
Oh, there we go.
So the primary must be upstairs.
Is this an addition?
Wait, this feels like drywall. This might be an addition.
Is this permanent?
It better be. I think this was, well, no, because look, it has the original windows up here.
So are we sure that this is permitted?
I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm 50-50 on it. Like, it feels like it's been here a really long time, but it's also built a little bit funky.
Oh, here's the second bathroom.
Ooh, terrible bathroom.
Tiny. So was this whole thing primary suite?
Wait, hold on, there's 2 bedrooms up here.
Well, what if we reconfigured this whole thing, so knock out all this and this would all be bathroom?
So then we take this wall out and just have one huge bedroom,
Yeah,
one huge
but we need a
bathroom?
walk-in closet. This could be the walk-in closet up here.
I like that idea. But then we probably have to figure out where to put a bathroom downstairs.
Or do we just have one bathroom for all 3 bedrooms downstairs?
This house was built in 1914, so the challenge is to give it a modern update while keeping its craftsman charm, which buyers are really gonna like. Downstairs, we're gonna remove the living room wall so we can expand the kitchen, incorporating the wood built-ins and turn-of-century details so this home really stands out. Upstairs is a full gut reno, reconfiguring the space so it's a true primary suite with an attached bathroom and a large walk-in closet. After making some necessary changes to the bid, we're finally starting construction with a budget of $270,000. If we can finish this house in 8 months with our holding and selling costs, we're gonna be all in at $2,050,000. We expect to sell at about $2.2 million, so that's a profit of about $150,000.
Oh.
Oh, look at that, we have progress.
Wow.
It's completely open, too.
Way better.
There was 2 doors, and it was this
Wow.
that we're repurposing.
Oh, this is great, honey. Watch, look from right here.
Oh, it's so nice. I love it.
It's looking good.
Did you guys want to start with the design? I have a really cool idea.
Yeah, well, I want to see the flooring first. What's the floor going to be throughout the whole
we're
house?
repurposing the floor,
Oh, we
too.
are?
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about this. So typically, a lot of people like the original floors refinished. Personally, I like new floors.
Yeah, what do we think buyers would want in a 1914 Craftsman?
Probably new floors.
You think? Yeah.
How much more expensive would it be to go with new
Something
floors?
like that.
That's really pretty.
New, modern, it's wide plank, you know?
That is not that expensive, like $4.99 a square foot or so.
I just don't want to get more delays.
When we go into a flip, we never think that these extra problems are going to occur, but then you start going over your budget and that leaves less money for the design. So of course we want to go with the more expensive flooring. It looks nice, but we have to think about, is that worth it to sell this house?
Yeah, and that's the problem too. Just because we're over budget, just because we got vandalized, doesn't mean we can skimp on the house, because in the end, we still have to sell the house. You can't try to make money back by spending less. The only way to try to make money back is by selling it for more.
Let's start with the kitchen.
Okay.
This is the backsplash.
I love that.
That's clean.
It's really pretty.
That's real nice.
Yeah.
And then we want to go ahead and do green cabinets. So then you know that the island, this is going to be there, so it contrasts really well.
Oh,
like,
the
like a
dark
rich,
wood.
rich,
Yeah.
warm wood
With
with the
that.
green cabinets. Okay, so kitchen, we have backsplash, the green cabinets. I love this.
Me
That
too,
is-
I love those.
Me too.
The
I saw them.
acrylic.
So kitchen is done.
Kitchen's done.
Hello.
What's up, Johnny?
What's happening? Hello, hello.
How are you?
guys? Good, good.
Are you the bearer of good news today or bad news today?
I come bearer of bad news. First thing, we had another situation with a break-in. Stole our electrical from underneath the house, our main cable line, and upstairs, anything that was not drywalled, they pulled out of the walls. So that's our first news.
When did that happen?
We're thinking that it happened on Sunday. Nobody was here over the weekend.
Okay, how much is that gonna cost?
I want to say we said $7,800.
What?
It's a complete rewire again.
Wow.
Okay, so we lost $8,000 on the electrical. We lost, what was it, $8,000 on the plumbing. So we lost $16,000 from break-ins. How are they getting in the house?
Well, we don't have everything 100% secure. We haven't upgraded the windows yet. They got upstairs to one of the openings, and they're coming in from underneath the house. So.
Whether it's your own house or an investment property, when someone steals your personal property, I mean, you just feel so violated. Imagine someone you don't know walking through your home, cutting out your plumbing, breaking your windows, walking on your floors. It's not a good feeling, and every time it happens, it's just as upsetting as the first.
They know we're working, they know we're vacant.
Okay, so let's do this, because it's gonna continue to happen. Let's look into a house sitter or maybe even getting some cameras.
So timing-wise, it's gonna put us back even longer.
Yes, so we're probably about a week and a half more behind than we expect.
We about to drop some fire right here. Build it up. Build it up.
I love the landscaping, yay!
Oh, it looks good.
All right.
Oh,
This
it's
is
so nice.
great.
Right when you open the door, you can see to the back of the house.
I love this.
All right, how much bigger does it look since we removed that wall?
Oh, it's perfect.
And the fireplace,
Gorgeous.
in love.
Like the white that we did and the pattern, gorgeous.
What do you think about the staining?
Beautiful.
You think it's too dark?
No, I feel like this is a Craftsman-style house, right?
The house feels old and new, both at the
Exactly.
same time. That's kind of what we were going for. I
has
like it.
Charm and character.
Beautiful. So back
Like-
here,
So this could be the office.
yeah, it could be office or bedroom.
This is cute.
This is cute. Could you imagine me sitting in my home office?
Doing your video convo, though, that's very low.
So after 13 months,
Long months.
yeah, long months, and spending $430,000 on this house, I am so excited that it's done. But at the same time, I'm so terrified to list it because I'm so worried it's not gonna sell.
I mean, it's a beautiful house.
Gorgeous house. I mean, if this house was 1 or 2 streets over, I think it would sell within a week.
We have beautiful Venetian plaster. We added that powder room downstairs. The top floor is all primary suite. The details are beautiful. The house is beautiful. So if it doesn't sell, it's not because the house isn't gorgeous. It's because of how, I was gonna say crappy. I say crappy.
Sure, you can say crappy. It's a crappy real estate market.
Crappy real estate market, yeah. How beautiful, right?
Let's think about this for a second. Just standing in this kitchen.
Yeah.
I feel like a buyer's gonna walk in this house and flip. I mean, we looked at the comps. None of the comps look like this.
The comps are older. They're more dated than this. This looks fresh. This has that Craftsman style, but it's fresh.
Yeah.
The flooring, do you like the black and white?
You know,
You don't.
no, I'm thinking.
the
Okay,
truth.
no, okay, so no, I'm telling the truth.
I don't want you to
Let
think.
me think.
Okay. No thinking, just
Because
say.
in general, do I like it? No, I don't. But for
Okay.
this house, I do. It's different.
I do too.
It's unique. Plus, we can play checkers. So how about our $8,000 bathroom? You wanna see this thing?
It better be gorgeous.
Dun, dun, dun.
But the fact that we added a powder room, that was a great idea.
Yes, it
Because
was.
we only had that one bathroom. All right. I think, listen, it's cute. We needed it. Like, it brings the value up, but
small.
I feel like we could have done maybe some wallpaper or something a little bit more in here to make it feel like an $8,000 bathroom.
Well, then it would have been a $9,000 bathroom.
Worth it.
Oh, this looks
Great.
beautiful.
So we reconfigured this whole thing. The fact that we have a shower in here, a bathtub, we have the vanity, and it doesn't feel cramped.
No.
It's great. I love the walnut color on the vanity. It's really pretty. Details.
Details. All right.
Bedroom,
Dun, dun. That's cute.
super cute.
I like the view to the yard. Look at that. Oh, look how nice the yard is compared to what we had.
Yeah.
It's a very charming,
Charming
house.
house.
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna go upstairs to the primary? Excited to see this. Okay, so this is cute.
Man, this made it a long way.
A long way.
A long way. You see how nice and big this room is now?
So many windows up here.
I know, it's really nice.
And it's quiet up here. It's its own area.
I'm shocked that we don't get the street noise.
No.
Oh, this looks just fantastic.
Gorgeous. Yep. I love this.
This is my favorite bathroom.
Really pretty.
This floor right here, I have never done that flooring before. It's one of my favorites.
I like it because it's not too busy. And then I like that we did subtle walls in the showers.
This came out great. You know, it's a full-size walk-in closet.
Yeah, great space.
Great space.
Yeah. Okay, so
we
we're
gotta
gonna go talk numbers and
Yeah,
comps
we gotta
and
come up with the list price. So look, we're 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom,
Okay.
2,574 square feet.
Okay.
So last time we were here, there were no comps.
Yeah.
So we actually have some comps now.
So yeah, the highest comp is 3 million, the lowest comp is 1.7.
Oh my God, that makes,
What the heck?
But you see, like this market is so weird, and then LA is just the weirdest. This one's pending?
At 2.595?
Yeah. The comps have gone up.
They have.
Okay, that's pending though. What is sold? Here's one that is actually sold.
So that one was 2.3.
Sold for that one sold for $2,350,000.
Wow.
That is the closest comparable to ours.
And I'd
But
say ours is nicer.
Ours is nicer, but this
bigger.
one's 500 square foot smaller than ours.
Exactly. Well, okay, so we bought the house for 1.6.
Okay.
The rehab cost was 258,000.
Dang. How much in change orders?
Change orders, $62,000.
God,
That's insane.
It's a lot of change orders.
And how many months do we have this? 13?
We had this house for 13 months.
Yeah, so our carrying cost was $162,000.
Oh, God.
We don't want to hold on to this
No.
home. We need to move.
Yeah, we need to
move
move.
on, move on.
So how much are the selling costs on this?
96,000. Our break even is $2,178,000.
Dang. And we've been here a long time.
A long time.
We
I
have
had a whole human.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, so let's talk list price.
It did not sell. We had so many showings. It just did not sell. The house sat on the market for about 19 weeks. So we bit the bullet, we dropped the price, and today we're asking $2.1 million, and we're still not selling. And if we do sell at $2.1 million, at a minimum, we're gonna lose $80,000. Does that sting? Yes, it does sting. Is it the worst news in the world? No, because at least it gives us information. The higher end custom homes in LA are not working for us right now.